Okay, 67 wants us to solve equations. So let's start with A, right? So I have 6 minus x minus 3 equals 10. I'm going to simplify each side of the equation before I start moving things around. So I have like terms, a 6 and a negative 3. 6 and minus 3, or 6 and negative 3 is 3. And I still have the minus x equals 10. I'll subtract 3 from both sides. And I get negative x, right, because this canceled. I'm left with negative x equals 10 minus 3, which is 7. And I'll multiply or divide both sides by negative 1, and I'll get x equals negative 7 for A. For B, I'll do it right here. I have 100x plus 300 equals 200. I'll subtract 300 from both sides. And I have 100x equals negative 100, and I'll divide both sides by 100, and I have x equals negative 1 for B. For C, we have 1/3 x plus 4 equals x minus 2. In this case, I can, I can subtract 1/3 x from both sides. So this cancels. I have 4 equals 1x minus 1/3 x is 2/3 x, right? Minus 2. I'll add 2 to both sides. I have 6 equals 2/3 x. And then I'll multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 2/3 because I want it to cancel, right? The 3's cancel, the 2's cancel, right? So I have x. So 3 halves times 6 is 18 halves, or 9, right? So x equals 9. And the last one, D, I'll do it here. D, 36 minus 2x equals negative x plus 2. I'll add 2x to both sides. And I have 36, that cancels, equals negative 1x plus 2x is 1x, or x, plus 2. I'll subtract 2 from both sides, and I get 34 equals x, but of course I'm going to write it as x equals 34.